Did you know that the automatic transmission was invented by an Armenian? Asatur Serafian was born in 1895. His family managed to escape the Hamidian massacre and moved to Chicago, where Asatur Serafian changed his name to Oscar Banker and found a job in a workshop. Serafian defended the authorship of his invention for about 8 years, fighting with car manufacturing companies. As a result, his proposal was accepted, and the company General Motors, which had previously put in cars semi-automatic transmission with many disadvantages, was the first to equip its products with automatic boxes. Serafian patented his invention in 1935. Asatur Serafian also invented a sawing machine, a grease gun, a gasoline pump, needleless, power steering, and the first 4-color printing machine. He also invented the primary controls for the Sikorsky helicopter.
We rise by lifting others. Armenian history of science and technology. Hovannes Ghougassian, pharmacist, inventor of the kerosene lamp. Christopher Der Seropian, a chemist, inventor of the green and black ink colors of the US currency. Giacomo Luigi Chamician, scientist, the father of organic photochemistry and a prophet of solar energy. Gabriel Kazanjian, inventor, the first to patent a blow dryer in the United States in 1911. Hovannes Adamian, engineer, pioneer of color television, developed the tricolor principle eventually used to create the color television. Varastad Kazanjian, oral surgeon, the founding father of modern plastic surgery. Armais Arutunov, entrepreneur, invented an electrical submergible motor and pump. Asadur Sarafian, inventor, patented the automatic transmission for automobiles, power steering, the needleless inoculation gun, the primary controls of the first Sikorsky helicopter. Seimon Davidovich Kirlian, inventor, researcher, discovered and developed Kirlian photography using high-voltage, high-frequency fields. Arthur Bulbulian, invented the A-14 oxygen mask used in World War II by the US Army and Air Force. Peter Vospikian, businessman, inventor, first automatic self-wringing sponge mop. Alex Manugyan, engineer, entrepreneur, philanthropist, the inventor of the Delta faucet, a watershed event that helped change the plumbing industry. Brothers Abraham and Artyom Alikhanian, nuclear physicists. Abraham founded the first nuclear reactor in the Soviet Union. They later founded the Armenian Academy of Sciences. Luther George Simjian, inventor. He invented the automated teller machine, teleprompter, self-focusing camera, color X-ray machine, exercise bike, and a flight simulator. Ardem Migoyan, Soviet Armenian aircraft designer, invented the MiG military aircraft. Viktor Hampartsumian, theoretical astrophysicist, was one of the founders of theoretical astrophysics, founded the Buragan Observatory in Armenia. Harry Tatosyan, inventor, the ice cream cone machine, US patent. Roger Edward Collingwood Altunian, a physician, pharmacologist, invented the pressured inhaler and cromolyn sodium therapy used for asthma, allergies, nasal sprays, and eye drops. Ardashes Aykanyan, invented the bendy straw, spoon straw, first form of Tupperware, strip-on car windshields, and the Coca-Cola plastic bottle production machine. Paris Heruni, professor, scientist, created radio-optical telescope ROT-54/2.6, Heruni Mirror Radio Telescope. Alexander Kemurjian, a scientist, founder of the space transport machine engineering science. He designed the Soviet Lunokhod rovers. Emik Avakyan invented the breath-operated computer and the mechanism that facilitates putting wheelchairs on automobiles. Mikhail M. Derbogosyan, physicist, one of the fathers of positron emission tomography and the first functional brain imaging technology. Sergei Mergelian, a scientist, mathematician, author of major contributions in approximation theory. Boris Babayan, computer scientist, physicist, the Soviet Union's first supercomputer creator. Raymond Vahan Damadian, scientist, inventor, the first magnetic scanning machine, known as the MRI, magnetic resonance imaging machine. Dr. Albert Kapikyan, virologist, developed the first licensed vaccine against rotavirus. Avi Tevanyan, a computer scientist, the chief software technology officer at Apple from 1997 to 2006. He helped develop the OS X. James Bagyan, a physician, engineer, professor, former NASA astronaut. Catherine Sarafian, a film producer at Pixar Animation Studios. Alex Seropian, video game developer, founder and CEO of Industrial Toys, Wideload Games, and Bungie. Vahan Chakaryan, entrepreneur, founder of TSD, Technology and Science Dynamics Incorporated, which is specializing in high-tech manufacturing, IT multidisciplinary research and development. Zaren Albandian, co-founder and CEO of Animal Logic, an animation and visual effects studio which produces visual effects and animations for feature films. Alexis Ohanian, co-founder of Reddit. Rafi Haladjan, businessman, CEO of Sense, co-creator of the wireless connected rabbit Navastak. Rupen Vartanian, the CEO and founder of Jumag. It's a digital publishing service distributing, tracking, and monetizing publications online. Hovannes Avoyan, CEO and founder of Pixart. Ara Agamian, co-founder and CEO of Triada Studio, which specializes in computer graphics and animation. Sam Simonian, chairman, co-founder of Init Technologies Incorporated, founded Tumos Center for Creative Technologies.